Hello guys, today we're going to talk about pattern. A pattern is anything that repeats itself. Here I've drawn a blue circle and an orange circle and a blue circle and an orange circle. What do you think would come next? A blue circle. Then what would come next? Yep, an orange circle. Down here we have a triangle, a straight line, a triangle, straight line, a triangle, straight line. What would come next? A triangle. And then what would come next? A straight line. You guys are getting really good at patterns. You guys are each going to get a white sheet of paper, and on the back you're going to write your name and your class code. Now, if you're in kindergarten, Mrs. Bartos already wrote your name and class code for you. So we have a nice big white sheet of paper. You're each going to get a black crayon. And what we're going to be doing, we are going to be creating patterns going from left to right, all the way across our paper. So here I might start with a circle, and then a triangle, and then a circle and a triangle. Maybe you can help me. What would be next? A circle, then a triangle, and a circle and a triangle. Very good. Maybe on this row I want to do numbers. Maybe I want to do 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Can I put a 3 right here? No, because then it wouldn't repeat itself. So you're just going to continue that pattern all the way across. Down here I'm going to do some fun shapes. I think I'm going to do a circle with a circle inside, so it looks like a donut. And then I'm going to do a rectangle. And then I'm going to do a semicircle, which is a straight line, and then a rainbow line, an arc. Then I'm going to do this again, so I have a circle and a circle inside, so that's my donut. And then this is my rectangle. And my rectangle has 2 long sides and 2 short sides. And the next one is going to be my semicircle. This reminds me of a donut and a Hershey bar and a taco. And a donut and a Hershey bar and a taco. What's going to come next? My circle inside circle, or a donut. And what comes next? My rectangle. 2 long lines and 2 short lines, and the last thing is my semicircle, which kind of looks like a taco. Is my whole page filled? Not yet. So I can probably fit 2 more patterns. You can do letters, you can do shapes, you can do lines. I might do 2 diagonal lines and 1 wiggly line, and 2 diagonal lines and 1 wiggly line, and 2 diagonal lines and 1 wiggly line. And the last thing, what am I going to put? 2 diagonal lines. Alright, and then I have 1 more space here. I think I'll do maybe a heart and 2 little circles, and a heart, and 2 little circles, and a heart, and 2 little circles, and a heart, and 2 little circles. I think I'm done. So I've got all my patterns, they're filling my page, my name is on the back. The next fun thing we're going to do, we are going to paint 1 whole color over this whole thing. And it's going to be a watered down color, and that's called a wash. We're going to use yellow paint, and we're going to go from one side to the other side, the whole thing. So we're going to dip our paintbrush in that and go right on top of our crayons. Right on top. Just like this. And the interesting thing is, because crayons have wax in them, they will still show up. So the paint won't go over top of them. It'll stay there. I'm almost done. When I'm painting, I'm using my left hand, which is not my painting hand, to kind of hold my paper. And it's a little tricky because I don't want to get my fingers all messy. So I'm trying to hold them kind of up like on their tippy toes. Back and forth, the whole thing. And you can see I'm going right off the edge of my page. That's okay. That's all right. So this is called a wash, and we're using yellow. When we're all done with our yellow wash, we're going to get another color. Now, yellow is a primary color. It's special. Blue is a primary color, and so is red. We are going to use the primary color red to go on top. And we're just going to paint right on top. We don't even need to clean our brush. So I'm going to dip it in red, and I'm going to do the exact same thing that I just did. Now, Mrs. Bartos is not going to do this now because I want you to do it. And I want you to discover the new color you're going to get. When you mix two primary colors together, you're going to get a new color. So we are mixing yellow and we're mixing red. And we're going to mix it right on our paper and paint right over this, and you're going to get a new color. It's going to be exciting. I can't wait to see yours. When you're completely finished, if you want to raise your hand, let me know that you are finished. I will come and kind of check it, make sure everything's good, and then we'll put it in the drying rack and we'll start to clean up our supplies. Good job. Can't wait to see it.